Hey guys, this is Mrs. Pike. This is Monday's lesson, dividing a whole number by a fraction. There are a couple of ways to divide fractions and whole numbers and mixed numbers. One of them would be with using models. Another one would be the common denominator method. And finally, the inversion method. Well, as you could probably guess, I prefer the inversion method. It's just easier. When we think about fractions, we have to remember that they're already a part over a whole. So therefore, it's already divided. We're already talking about taking something and breaking it into pieces. If we were in school, I would show you the other two. I did upload Math Antics, dividing fractions. With this lesson, they're going to show you using models and things. But for today and for this week, while we're dividing fractions, we're going to be using the inversion method. One word you have to know is reciprocal. Basically, it's the multiplicative inverse, and that is a big, giant word. So I'm just going to show you, because once I show you, you will have it. So I have the fraction 3/5, and if I want to find the reciprocal of 3/5, it is just this. It's 5/3. If we were at school and I said, hey, what did I just do to this number? You might just say, you flipped it over. Yes. Sometimes we talk about this meaning to flip a fraction, okay? So then if I did 2/5, what would the inverse of 2/5 be? Or the reciprocal, and it would be 5/2. Okay, so you got to remember this because you're going to be using it when you divide fractions this week. So dividing a whole number by a fraction. So let's just look at it. We have 6 divided by 2/3. So we have a whole number divided by a fraction. Okay, remember I just said fractions are already parts of a whole, so it's already divided. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to invert the divisor. Okay, so to make this whole number a fraction, I'm going to put 6 divided, 6 over 1 divided by 3/2. Okay, so I did the inverse. Then you're going to have to change division to multiplication. 6 over 1 times 3/2. Okay? Many years of teaching this, I have remembered that you keep the first number, change division to multiplication, and then you flip 3/2. Okay? Sometimes you'll hear it called keep, change, flip. Okay, once you've done these 3 things, you now can solve the problem. So 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 2 is 2. This is an improper fraction. What's it going to equal? You got it. You got to divide. It'll be 9. So the answer to my problem, 6 divided by 2/3, is 9. First thing I did was I changed 2/3 to its reciprocal. Then I changed division to multiplication. And then I regular old multiplied. Okay? So basically, can you divide fractions? I'd say no. Because you're going to always change, when you're dealing with fractions, you're going to always change that division sign to multiplication. And then find the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay? Another way that I remember this, because you know we like food, instead of Kentucky Fried Chicken, I remember Kentucky Chicken Fried. Okay? Chicken Fried. There you go. All right, so let's do another one. All right, let's do one more. And on today's math lesson, there's 12 of these. They're only worth 5 points. And then a little bit of a review. Let's say I had 4 divided by 2/3. All right, so I'm going to remember keep, change, flip. I'm going to keep this 4, change it to 4 over 1 because it has to be a fraction. Change division to multiply, and then flip or find the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. Then I'm going to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. This is an improper fraction, so I'm going to divide it, and my answer will be 6. Okay? Watch the video. Watch this video. If you have a question, email me or text me, and I would love to help you. Good luck, guys. I know you can do it. Bye.